In episode 9 of the Porsche 914 teardown, we're going to remove the wiper assembly and motor, the relay board, the heater blower motor, and last but not least, the complete wiring harness. In episode 9 part 2, we're going to remove the relay board and the auxiliary air blower. Someone who watched my videos had mentioned that I was trying to remove interior trim using a power screwdriver, and he mentioned using a handheld screwdriver. I started out as a tech in a GM Subaru garage, and time was money. Using power tools saved you a lot of time, so I am used to using those for everything. This delicate stuff on these old classics is a different story, and being a little more gentle is probably very good advice. Okay, I gotta somehow get that cover off. Okay. Actually, I don't know if I needed to. Maybe some gentle persuasion. Okay, let's wrestle with this thing. Let's see if I can get a screwdriver in there. Try my scraper. It's a little thinner. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, yeah, I should have just left the cap on. Okay, what are these? I'm gonna have to look that up. Yellow and red and green wire. Worked with the green wire before. And then of course this was the jumper wire for the fuel pump, because this car had carburetors, Weber's 40s. The green and yellow and red wire are the ruin of defogger, and that's why I hadn't seen that on the other car that I have. Turned out the relay board had a bad circuit. To see the rebuild and repair of this relay board, check out the link at the end of this video. Okay, I'm assuming these plugs just unplug. If not, the side I'm wrecking is the harness, which I'm pulling out anyway. Oh, there it is. Let's get this out. Okay, all out. Now let's check to see if it's any good. I'd say the blower motor is good. Thanks for watching.